Welcome to Reskinit for Blender. To get started, securely paste your Gemini API key from Google AI Studio into the add-on panel. Today, we are looking at a freshly modeled UV unwrapped mesh with 0 base textures. Start with Cold Start, pick Smart, and Reskinit bakes Ambient Occlusion and Curvature straight from your mesh, reading the real edges, bevels, and cavities, and composites them into a starting surface. No API call, no cost. Just your geometry turned into a canvas. 3 ways to drive it. Start with a preset. One click loads a ready-made look like Stealth Black or Royal Gold to test on your model fast. Want full control? Just type your own prompt, or hit Suggest and Reskinit looks at your model, then writes 6 short skin ideas built for that exact object. Click one to load it. It runs on Gemini Flash, so it's quick and cheap. Try as many as you like. Now choose who's designing it. Pick a persona, and the whole engine reconfigures. Select the Bladed Specialist, and Reskinit speaks blades. Forged and folded steel, fullers, wrapped grips, temper lines. Pick firearms instead, and it knows Cerakote and Parkerizing. 13 specialists, each with its own materials, eras, and markings. Lock it to a design world. Feudal Japan, Norse, High Fantasy, Cursed, Sci-fi Monoblade. Then add a surface graphic, a Haman temper line, a Damascus pattern, an engraved blade. The persona only offers what belongs on a blade. Tune the rest. Creativity is a slider, from a faithful recolor through layered variation to a bold redesign. Art style sets the finish. Tune, stylized, game ready, realistic, or photoreal. And condition sets the wear. Pristine, clean, field used, battle worn, or derelict. Then pick your resolution. 1024 runs on Gemini Flash. Fast and low cost, ideal for iterating. Step up to 2048 or 4096 on Gemini Pro for higher fidelity once you've found the one. You only pay for the resolution you generate. Here's what makes Suggest smart. It doesn't just look at your mesh, it factors in your whole setup. The persona and design world, the surface graphic and condition, the art style and creativity. Then, it writes 6 ideas built for that exact object and direction. And when you generate, it all comes together. Reskinit takes your model's geometry and your UV atlas as the canvas, applies every setting you chose, and renders at your selected resolution. One directed texture mapped to the shape you built. One honest note, AI isn't perfect. It can misread a surface or hallucinate a detail. That comes with the territory. So we forged Reskinit to work with that, not pretend it away. Every pass is fast, cheap, and non-destructive, so iterating is the whole point. Generate, refine, and close in on exactly what you want. The personas and design worlds are here to guide the AI and tilt the odds your way, but they're a starting point, not a cage. Type your own prompt, drop into Generalist, and chase any idea you like. Reskinit doesn't box you in, it helps you navigate and get there faster.